Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5083631, because of these error codes. So if you're receiving these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once done, you can copy the second command, copy the complete command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once done, now run the third command. Once done, now run the last command. Once this is complete, restart your PC. After the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option. Hit pause over here. Once paused, click on resume updates and then try to install the update. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply. Click on Start if highlighted, click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on Restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Apply, click on Start if highlighted. Again, make a right click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service, click on Restart. Now scroll up somewhere at the top, you will find App Readiness. Make a double click on App Readiness, set this to automatic. Click on Apply, click on Start if highlighted. Make a right click on App Readiness, click on Restart. Now you can go back to Windows Update. If you see retry option or check for update, try to install the update now and then check. Still not working, then run these commands. These commands are also provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time, and once the scan is complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the second scan is complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. And once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in the browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5083631. Click on search. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. In my case, the version is 25H2. Check your Windows version and then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5083631. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your PC, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to close third-party application. If you have like any third-party anti-cheat program like Faceit, Anti-Cheat, Riot, Vanguard, you can uninstall it, restart your computer, and then update. If you have any third-party antivirus program like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, so before you install the update, you can disable it. Once you're done installing the update, once the update is successful, you can enable your antivirus program once again. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then over here, go to Advanced option, scroll down, Recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your PC and then update. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file, and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. Then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on a Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.